In this video, I'm going to show you how to forget AirPod Pro on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're using the iOS 18 on your iPhone, or you recently upgraded to the new iOS 18, you can easily forget the AirPod Pro connected to your iPhone. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to forget AirPod Pro on iPhone on iOS 18, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, come down here and click on Bluetooth. Now, under Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth to turn your Bluetooth on. And once your Bluetooth is disabled, you should see all the devices that have access to your Bluetooth, and they'll probably connect to your iPhone Bluetooth automatically. Now, click on the information icon opposite your AirPod Pro name. Then on this page, click on Forget this device. Then you should see Forget device from the pop. Then click on that. There you go. There you should see another pop that says this should remove iDotun from all device signal into your iCloud account. Go ahead and click on Forget. There you go. So this is going to remove your AirPod Pro from your iPhone on iOS 18. So this I can easily forget AirPod Pro on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.